Let's discuss the problem from weekly contest 384. The problem name is modify the matrix. So let's discuss the problem statement first. Given a zero index m cross integer matrix, its name is matrix, and create a new zero index matrix called answer. Make answer equal to matrix, then replace each element with the value -1 with the maximum element in its respective column. At last we need to return the matrix. So what they are trying to say is they have given a matrix which in which we need to replace all the -1 with the maximum element of its respective column. Let's discuss the problem here. Hmm. Let's take this matrix. So this is a matrix in which we are supposed to take it as an example. See, uh, hmm. So initially we will just check this particular column. In this particular column, the maximum our algorithm will be first we need to find the maximum element on particular column. Then replace with -1, replace with -1. So right. So in this particular column, the maximum element is 7. The maximum element is 7 and there is no -1, so we don't do any such operations. And in this particular column the maximum element will be 8. Maximum element will be 8, right? So after finding 8 we are supposed to change this all elements with -1 as 8. We'll change this as 8, and in this particular column we have 9 as answer, 9 as a maximum, in which we are supposed to change this -1 into 9. So this is what the problem is required. We need to change this -1 into 8 and this -1 into 9, like that. So we are changing with the respective column maximum. So let's go on to the implementation. I hope the problem is clear. We may say that what if the particular column has something like this. Let's create that. We have a 2 cross 2 matrix, and what if we have -1 and -1 over here, something like this. So in this particular column we can't do. So for that case they are given in the constraint. We need to check the constraints as well. The input is generated such that each column contains at least one non-negative integer. It means that there may be one element such that it is not -1, like that. It may be at least 0 or something like that. So let's go on to the implementation. This is for finding sizes. Find sizes, like sizes in the sense we have ns rows and ms columns. So initially we are trying to iterate in column wise, not row wise. So to perform column wise operation we will just declare the j first. J represents column and I represents row. So j will go till all rows, all columns, and I will go from till all rows. So initially what we need to do, as per one, we need to find the maximum. Find the maximum. Let's zoom it. We need to find the maximum. So this is the case, we will just find the maximum here, right? We have just found the maximum, and we need to replace replace with -1. So whatever the elements which is supposed to be -1, we are out to change with the maximum element. At last what we will do, we will just return the maximum. So here we didn't create any other new matrix. We can't use that matrix as well. So if it is we need to return, means we can also create a new matrix and can replace with that. So let's submit the problem. Yeah, it's accepted. Hope you found it useful.